So today, I found this bad boy on my doorstep. Not too sure what it is, but I think it's my Brute plasma rifle. This is my first ever unboxing video, so hopefully I do this right, guys. I'm so excited, let's get into it. Just gonna open it up real carefully. It's empty. What's going on, guys? It's UNSCaustralia here, and today it finally arrived. We finally have my Halo 2 plasma rifle, and I am so excited. It has been too long since I put down the pre-order for this bad boy. Way too long. Like nearly 3 years. 3 years is ridiculous, but I am excited, so let's go. Let's open up this bad boy. It's a little hard to do it with this energy sword. Just kidding, guys. I got real utensils. Alright, Instagrammers, ready? This is a first, UNSCaustralia first. You're gonna see a photo on Instagram, but now you're actually gonna see me take the photo. Let's try and line this up pretty good. Alright, you see it? You see your photo? Look. Hey now. Oh. There you go. You saw it get taken. This is my first ever unboxing video, so hopefully I do this justice because I'm very excited. You can see I ordered this on the freaking like 13th of November. Is that November? Yeah, it's like the 13th of November 2014. And we've got a box inside a box. This is actually what I ordered. I ordered a second box because I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna get sick of another box, so why not? Look, we got our little Jinx stickers. Yay! And now we got the smaller box. There we go. And it's Friday today for me, guys, so you know what? This is going to be the best TGI Friday ever. Wow. It's a box inside a box inside another box. Get out of here. Alright, here we go. It's in plastic, so, you know, waterproof, smart, good work. Does that look good from your angle? Looks good from here. It's got like a nice, it's got a sleeve on it. Like the box, like that box, like you can see I put my hand down it, that's cool. Got my Master Chief there and it's just like, oh, it's just like a little plate. It's a plastic sleeve that has a plastic sleeve. These guys just love like doubling up on stuff. I'm not complaining though, it keeps it safe, you know, everything. So there we go. Lovely. Alright, I'm gonna have to move the camera just a tad so we can get some good footage. It's still on charge, by the way, so I'm very limited with how far I can move. But there we go, guys. That's the top of the box, or the back of the box. I'd say that's the back of the box. Alright, let's... Okay. Let's lay it down flat. I'm gonna make sure, like, I'm pretty much watching the camera while watching this, and it is hard to micromanage. Alright. Ooh, boy. Oh. It's another box. I bet this one's a styrofoam box. You know, safety first. Oh, it is in there tight. Alright. Put some tape, more tape, a little bit more tape. There we go. Plastic. I gotta make sure I get this in shot. There we go, guys. The final stage. I'm excited. Drum roll, please. It is awesome. Wow. That looks so cool. I'm excited about this little, the little air freshener thingy. But seriously guys, that looks so cool. Alright, let's try and get it out. Oh my lord, it is heavy. Okay, sit you down there. What do we got? What is this? Oh, we got the battery. I'm guessing it was meant to be in the plastic, but you know, time saving. What is this? It's pretty much just bubble wrap and tape. Like, whoever, the devil must have put this together because you can't grip any corners. They look like the fins. So we've got some like little fins here. Oh, they're magnetized. Just the tip. Just the tip is magnetized. That's cool. So you can see that. Nice. Alright, put them aside. What we got here? I'm guessing this is the stand. Oh, there you go, guys. My number. If you can't see it, I'm number 90 of 150. They couldn't have given me the number 74. Alright, so that looks like all the packaging out of there. That is a nifty box. Alright. Now we're down to the nitty gritties. Oh, I can't get over how heavy it is. Let's see if I can move you in closer. Come on, don't be shy. It's okay. Because I don't want you missing out on the action. It's like it's your plasma rifle too, guys. Alright. So all that aside, let's take off this packaging. Oh, I am so ready to fight the Covenant. That is wicked. Oh, I can't get over how shiny it is. Alright, where does your battery go? So you can see, just in there, that's the top of the plasma rifle, just up in there. So let's try and work out how to fit it in there. And hope we don't accidentally blow it up. Oh, I'm guessing this is that's not a stand, you stupid head. It's the frickin' other part of the plasma rifle. Gosh. Remind me again why you guys are subscribed to me. Like, oh, that's magnetized too. That is snappy. Alright, and then we'll chuck the fins in. Well, there you go. They are both in. I'm sorry about this poor lighting. But, yeah. And we have lights now. So this is what the plasma rifle looks like in almost pitch black. I've still got my computer monitor on, so that gives off a little bit of light. That's the, I guess you could say that's the sights. It's pretty much where you get your ammo capacity from, or your battery charge. And yeah guys, it is just so awesome. It looks really cool. That's the other side of it. But let's turn the lights back on. So there we go guys. That's my unboxing video for the Halo Brute Plasma Rifle. It is just so, so sexy. I got no other words for it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm delirious. What do you want from me? This thing looks stunning. So cool. Let's get some close up of the detail in it. Alright guys, well that's the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment down below of what you think of the Brute Plasma Rifle. This thing is just so heavy. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'll catch us all in the next one. This has been UNSCaustralia, out.